Alright guys, how's it going? So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a snake knot paracord zipper pull with a bead and a Cobra weave. I'm replacing the ones on my plate carrier, so I thought it'd be a good time to show you guys how to do it. Very easy. Gonna need yourself a piece of paracord. This is 550 paracord, a foot long. You're gonna need yourself a piece of micro cord or black string, 2 feet long. Your bead, if you have one. A lighter. A pair of scissors. So first thing you're going to want to do is take your paracord, whichever color. We're going to stick it down in through here. Fold it in half. Then we're going to figure out how long we want it. So I want my bead to sit right about here. So we're going to tie a snake knot right at the end of my thumb. So the way to tie a snake knot, we're going to take our right strand, we're going to go over and spin it around in behind. So you make this loop. From there, you're going to take your left strand and bring it back, up, over, and come down and through the left loop. And you'll end up with this double knot. From there, you're just going to work it and pull it tight. Don't pull it too tight in case you need to adjust it for your bead. Next, we'll take our bead. We'll slide that in. From here, we're going to test to make sure our bead is sitting where we want it to. And that's about right where I need it. So from there, just slide your bead off. Now you know your snake knot is in the right place. And then you're just going to pull on it. And that's going to tighten up the knot. From there, stick our bead back on. And then we're going to tie another snake knot in the bottom. This one's going to be a little tighter since the cord is a lot shorter. Just push that bead up there. Again, right cord goes over the left, around and in behind. Your left cord's going to come up over and then down through. Struggling with this one here. Just give me a sec. There it is. From there, you're just going to tighten up your snake knot. Like so. Double check your that's right where I wanted it. From there, if you have a pair of pliers handy, you can use them. If not, you can just cut and singe, and I'll show you. So I'm just going to grab a hold of this, pull real tight. From there, we're going to cut off the tails, but you don't want to cut too much off the tail because you're going to need to melt some of it. So you're going to leave just enough. Grab your torch or your lighter, and you're just going to melt the ends of this. And then we're going to press it down. And that's going to stop the knot from coming undone. From there, we're going to take our black piece of cord and we're going to do our Cobra weave. This one's very simple, repeating pattern. So you're going to find the halfway point of your black cord. And what you're going to do is you're going to bring your left cord over to the right. Your right cord is going to go over the cord you just brought from the left, and you're going to come up underneath and out this loop. From there, we're just going to pull that tight, not too tight, because we're going to slide this up into position. Once you get it up into position, then you can pull, cinch it up. Next, the cord you brought from the left over the top, you're going to bring back from the right over to the left. The cord you went over top, you're going to do the same. You're going to go over the black cord, and then you're going to come up from underneath and out the loop on the right side. And get that up into place. You're going to pull that tight. And it just repeats. The cord that goes over the top is always going to go over the top. The cord on the other side that goes over, under, and up is always going to follow. So you just keep, it just alternates sides. Left cord over the top, right cord over the black, up under, pull tight. Now your right cord over the top, left cord over the black, underneath, up out the loop. Pull tight. And you're just going to keep repeating that until you get to where you need to be, which is at the bottom. And as you guys see, the pattern is starting. So I'm going to continue on to the bottom, and then I'll show you how to finish it. Alright guys, so when you get to the last, you're going to make your last pass. So you're going to come over like normal, bring your other cord like normal. Now from here, don't tighten it. Take the cord you just brought through to the right. You're going to come down underneath, and you're going to want to stick it back through out the loop with the other cord. So you have both ends coming out the same side. From there, you're going to tighten and then once you're tightened, you're just going to pull this tail through like so. Now you have both strands coming out the same side. So what you're going to do now is you're going to cut the excess off, again leaving a tiny bit left to melt. And then you're going to take your lighter, just melt the ends of those cords, give it a second, and then just quickly press it down. And that's it. You've got your zipper pull tab. Alright guys, so hope that helps you guys out with something that you can use. And the next ones I'm going to do are going to be these ones here, but I'm going to be doing a wide diamond knot on the bottom because this one doesn't have a bead. So when I get to that point and I'm ready to do these, I'll get you guys another video. All right.